Good morning everyone. Today we are going to complete our next part of our series in Python. In previous video we have just completed the introduction part of the Python. Today we are going to start a new programming. The programming will start from basics, so every student who is not who is not having a background in IT, or who is not a programming background student, can easily understand that what is programming and how to do programming, especially in Python. So let's get started. First of all, guys, uh, I will I would like to suggest you that you should watch the previous video, so that your basic can be the basics of Python. You can just clear that, because in today's video I'm not going to tell you that what is Python or why it is used. Instead of it, we are just going to start directly. You are going to start the programming, and we are going to make the first program. So let's get started, guys, without wasting time. So I'm just going to make a simple program first of all, and then I'm going to show you that how it works and how the results or the outcome looks like. So I'm going to write. This is a cursor. This is my screen, and here if I write print, then curly bracket. It is guys, this is the same programming language, so it will look similarly in this way. So you have to declare everything in this way only, and I will write hello world, hello world, and we are going to run it. There, hello world. The outcome is hello world. So congratulations, we have made a first program without any mistake. So this is completed. Now I'm going to delete it now. I will take some variable. What is variable? I have told in the previous video. You can just check it out. I don't wanna repeat everything. Okay, so a little introduction. I would like to tell you that variable is a storing device. It means that we can store any value in variable. So it is just like a storing device. Now, if we take x is equal to 3, y is equal to, we can take any string or name. String is something name, or we can take Abhishek. Okay, now we're going to take this print x, and print y. Okay, and now I'm going to, it's not x plus y, and now I'm going to run this program. Let's see what's the result of that. You can see 3 is coming and Abhishek is coming. Now, if you would guys ask me that if we saw that if we will write this program again and change the value of the variable by something else, and what will happen? It's like this. I've written 5 and then I will print it x again. Let's see what happens. You can see, guys, the value is overwritten. Okay, now if you will now if we will print x again, then also it will show you the same thing. See, yeah. So it means that the value within the variable x has been override. Okay, override means यहाँ पर वैल्यू जो है अब 3 की जगह 5 हो गई है. So now whenever you will print x here, then always you will get a value 5 instead of 3. Okay guys, so now I'm going to tell you one new thing maybe you are not you will be knowing about that, but then also I'm just sharing this series only for the beginners. So first of all, I will tell you that what is comment. Okay, so comment is something that is in the program, but when we uh, runs it, or when we use to find the outcome, then the comment is not shown on the result site. It means it is only meant for the programmer, not for the audience. Okay, so comment is used so that we can just spin the particular area and understand that, and add some particular comment so that we can understand that what type of algorithm we have used on that place. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take one comment and I will going to show you that how it works. So this is a comment. We will just take a hash value. Okay, hash, and now I'm going to write my name. What name is, okay, my name is Abhishek Chowdhury, and see, I'm going to run this program. What happens? Nothing. You can see guys, if I'm adding another command, let's add some other command. My hobby is to play. My hobby is to read books, okay? Because my hobby is to read books. Now see, we will run this and see the outcome here. You can see the change. Now, another thing that how we will find the type of a variable, that which type of value is written in this, because I have shown in you in the first program that I have used x, which is was a number. I stored a number there, and in a y I have stored a string. In the same way, we can use many different type of words, a number, or a string, a boolean, a float value. I will tell you everything about every these things, that what is float, what is boolean, what is string, what is numeric value. But just I just want to give you a small idea about that, how to find out the type of a value within the program. So I'm going to write one command that finding the type. Finding type x is equal to 5, and okay, y is equal to happy shape. Okay, and now I'm going to find this print type. Okay, now see the magic. Let's see the magic. Yeah, see this. I'm highlighting it. Last int and last string. So you can see guys that how it is changing. Now I'm going to tell you about some list of legal variables, because we should know that how to declare the variables, and how you will just how many different types of variables you can use within the program, and what is the correct way to write the variables, to declare the variable. Because you cannot use you can uh, you can declare many ways actually. but there are some ways which are forbidden in Python. So I'm going to tell you the forbidden ways and the allowed ways so that you can be careful about this while writing the program. Okay, so I'm going to take one comment here, adding a comment here, and list of legal variables. Okay, so our first legal variable is myware. I'm going to take everything in a small letter now. My variable, you can declare, you can write any name here. Okay, it doesn't matter. And I have written my name. Okay, average. Okay. Now you can declare the same thing. You see this. It is showing by default. See, it is working very fine here. Good programmer will always appreciate this thing. Now you can just declare this by myware. Sorry for that. Myware. Appreciate. See, this is also a way to. Now another way to declare this the same program. So guys, I'm going to take now this time we are just going to take the capital letter and now we're going to type it and sorry we should another value for it. Sorry, I forgot to take the command there. It's simple my way. You can take this capital and you can write this. So there are multiple ways. Okay, I'm just going to share this. This is the possible condition. And the last one to declare. So my name is, and we will write here. We will write here print now. Print X. You can just declare like this. Also, you can write the name. And now I just want to tell you another thing related to this only. So let me write one program here. Let me take one X variable and see what happens. Uh, my now why now that see and we will print this X plus Y plus Z. Now see guys, if we will just run that program, but we will see that it is showing my name is Abhishek Chaudhary. You can see say that there not a space here and it is written like this. So what you can do, you can just take one first, you can take one, yeah. Now see, it will show the correct way. See this. Now it is showing along with it, so we will use this here. Now it will work perfectly. You can see this. My name is Abhishek. Okay, so in this way you can just declare the variable. Guys, there is another way of declaring this thing. You can just declare this. You can do the same thing with any numeric value. Because it is a string value I have used it. You can take another any numeric value, and if you will take any numeric value for just for example, uh, if we just is to x, I will just going to tell you. Okay, it doesn't, don't worry. I'm going to tell you that what I wanna say. What if x is equals to 5, y is equals to 7, and z is equals to 8, 6. So I have told you in a previous video that the Python is used as a mathematical tool also. So I'm going to show you example that what I wanna show say in that video. You will get some idea about that. So we will just add up all these things and see. Now we will print and see what will be the answer of this question. See, 18 is coming, and you can add 5, 7 and 6 and you will get 18 only. Okay guys, so I think that's all for this today's video, and in tomorrow's video we will continue from the global variables. I'm going to tell you about global variables, what is indentation, and the next part. And guys, from that part only we will start our real programming. This was just the introduction of programming. These are the things that basic programmers should know. Tomorrow or in the next video I'm going to tell you that how many types of different data types are there, what is the declaration of different data types, how to specify out the different data types, what is numeric data type, and how to convert these numbers, actually how to convert a numeric value into string or a string into numeric, a float value into numeric value, how to get a random number, how what is the strings. Then we will after we study array, loop, everything we will study, don't worry. Okay, so guys, just stay connected, and just please like and share the channel, because this your likes and your sharing only gives me support for making more and more videos for you. So enough for today. Thank you for joining, thank you for watching.